what are parallel lines. So parallel lines are the lines on a plane that do not meet on producing further. ठीक है, मीन्स इन लाइन्स को अगर हम आगे बढ़ाएं तो ये दोबारा आपस में नहीं मिलती हैं. दे हैव equal distance between them. Equal distance between them. So if it is 2 centimeters from here to here, ठीक है, 2 centimeters, the gap is 2 centimeters. They have equal gap between them. And we denote the parallel lines with a special symbol like this. If draw another line parallel to it, say this is parallel. Now this line is not parallel to the above line. Suppose this is line AB, this is CD, this is EF, and this is GH. I have not written any symbol on it as I know it's not parallel. हाँ, तो आप कैसे लिख सकते हैं? आपको अगर बताना हो कि AB CD के पैरेलल है, how can you write it? AB is parallel to CD. Or if you have to tell that CD is parallel to, it's clear from the figure, CD is parallel to EF, you can say. Now, EF and GH are not parallel to each other. ठीक है, हमें इसको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. So now next is what is a transversal. What is a transversal? So a transversal is a line. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines at distinct point. Two or more lines at distinct point. Let me explain this to you. So like अभी हम parallel lines के लिए denote कर देंगे कि MN is parallel to PQ. So MN is parallel to PQ and AB is transversal. AB is acting as transversal to line MN and PQ because it is cutting the two parallel lines at these 2 points. Okay. So firstly, what are parallel lines? That have equal distance between them and that they don't never meet at a point. Second important thing, we have to mark them parallel. Like अब मैं बोल रही हूँ AB में double tick है. If I have put in 2 ticks on here, तो फिर आप ऐसे लगाएंगे इसको. ठीक है, अगर ये इसके पैरेलल नहीं है तो आप हाँ आप ये बोल सकते हैं, सॉरी दिस लाइन आई वांट टू ड्रॉ पैरेलल टू इट. ठीक है, तो अगर ये इसके पैरेलल है तो ये इसके पैरेलल है, यानी कि GH is parallel to MN. You can say this. ठीक है, तो the sign shows which line is parallel to which line. Now types of angles between these parallel lines. When a transversal cuts the two parallel lines, so the angles formed are 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ठीक है, mark them simply as, हम इसको कलर भी कर सकते हैं कि there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 angles formed on it. ठीक है, आपको लगी क्या होगा कि जब ट्रांसवर्सल किसी लाइन को कट करती है तो there are 8 angles formed on it. Now what are interior angles? देखो interior word suggests that inside the. So हम इसकी पहचान कैसे रखेंगे? Interior angles are those which lies inside the parallel lines. So this is first, अंदर है ट्रांसवर्सल के साथ. So there are 4 interior angles. ठीक है, inside or between the parallel lines. ठीक है, so there are 4 interior angles. 4 interior angles. Now what are exterior angles? Exterior word suggests they are outside. तो देखो लाइन के बाहर, पैरेलल लाइंस के बाहर 1 2 3 4. They doesn't lie between the parallel lines. They are on the outside the parallel line and on the transversal. So there are 1 2 3 4. Now you can see the difference also. देखो ये अंदर है, on the upper figure it's inside and on the lower figure it's outside. So they are exterior angles, and so they are the outside the parallel lines. Hmm? Four exterior. Next, अब आपको पता चल गया है what are exterior and interior angles. Next are alternate exterior. Now these are the properties which we have to use while solving these questions. Now firstly, these two lines are parallel. We'll write M is parallel to PQ and AB is acting as transversal for MN and PQ because it is cutting at 2 points. So AB is not transversal. You must write it. It is very important to write these two. Now what are, अब एक्सटीरियर तो बाहर हो गया, ठीक है, एक्सटीरियर तो आपको समझ आता है बाहर है. ऑल्टरनेट का मतलब क्या है? ऑल्टरनेट मीन्स ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड्स ऑफ द ट्रांसवर्सल. आउटसाइड, पहले तो दे आर आउटसाइड, और सेकंड क्वेश्चन क्या है? दे आर ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्स. ठीक है, कैसे इसका पहचान है? देखो ट्रांसवर्सल क्या है? ए बी बाहर है, पहले बाहर वाला एक एंगल मार्क कीजिए and see exactly on the opposite side of it. So this is the exterior angle. Similarly, there is second exterior angle and we can mark on the opposite sides. So they lies on the opposite sides. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So how will we write it? देखो, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 when you measure using compass. ठीक है, जब आप compass से measure करेंगे, it is equal to each other. हाँ, क्या बोलेंगे? लिखने का तरीका कैसा है? Alternate exterior angles. अब है उसके बाद what are interior alternate. Alternate का मतलब it's, I think this is clear to you now. पहले तो mark the parallel lines again. MN is parallel to PQ and AB is transversal. AB आपका transversal line है. अब याद रखना these all properties are applicable only on parallel lines. Interior है, अंदर है, alternate है on the opposite side of transversal. Interior means अंदर, so एक just mark one interior angle on the opposite side of transversal, बिल्कुल उसके साथ चिपका हुआ. Angle again is equal to angle when you measure using compass. Similarly, the next interior angle will be equal to the opposite interior angles on the opposite side of transversal. This is third, and this angle 3 is equal to angle 4. To measure them, they are interior alternate, they are interior alternate angles. These are interior alternate angles. In between parallel lines, the angles are equal. ठीक है, तो आप कह सकते हैं if the parallel lines are parallel, the angles are equal. The interior angles are equal. If interior alternate angles are equal, the lines are also parallel. We'll learn this in afterwards. What is corresponding angle? ठीक है, so corresponding angle में क्या होता है, याद रखने का तरीका, same side, same direction. Okay, same side, same direction. अब देखो, this is side. If we look at this diagram, so this is upper side. On the upper side, तो यहाँ पे भी upper side and right side of the अपना हाथ का याद रखो, on the right side of your hand. तो यहाँ पे भी ऐसा ही होगा. This is on the upper side and on the right side. तो first angle, इसको एक भी नाम दे सकते हैं. Angle A is equal to angle B corresponding. These are called as, इस तरह की पहचान वाले को हम क्या बोलेंगे, corresponding angles. हाँ. Second also, just find out if there is any other pair. अभी हम अगर इसको मार्क करते हैं तो this is on the right side under this, on the right side under this, एक डायरेक्शन में. ठीक है, कौन सी डायरेक्शन है, downwards, downwards, and on the right side of your hand. We can see this is angle C and this is angle D. So angle C is equal to angle D. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर एंगल A मान लीजिए 75 डिग्रीज है तो एंगल B भी 75 डिग्रीज आएगा. ठीक है, अगर एंगल C 105 degrees hai, you can see this is an obtuse angle, so angle D will also be 105 degrees. So next pair of angle exists here also. देखो, this is upper side upwards left, upwards left. A and B are equal, C and D are equal. Now we can say these are E and F. ठीक है, so angle D, ये भी corresponding angle. हाँ, and third also angle E is equal to angle F. Again, they are corresponding angles. Last type of angles that exist between the parallel lines. First is, देखो, parallel lines का पहले mark कर लीजिए. Again, MN is parallel to, तभी ये property use होगी. AB क्या है, AB is transversal. कोइंसिडेंट एंगल की पहचान, ये U बनाते हैं. ये देखो, ऐसा U. ठीक है, और एक U आपको दूसरी तरफ आ जाएगा. ठीक है, ये दोनों एक ही तरफ को होते हैं on the same side of the same side and inside, in between parallel lines, in between the parallel lines. So this is the first pair. आप इसको कैसा मार्क करेंगे, this and this, angle 1 and angle 2. ठीक है, U बनाता है, याद रखना. So this is angle 1 plus angle 2 and angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. ठीक है, similarly let me take another color for this. Angle, ये देखो, अब इस तरफ भी U बन रहा है. तो angle 3, angle 4, angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. ठीक है, तो याद रखना, because देखो यहाँ पे this is acute, this is obtuse and this is acute. ये दोनों प्लस होके 180 degrees बनाएंगे. You can see this using protector. Now questions that simply we can say, ये क्या लगता है आपको? If we form this shape, what do you think? And it is given this is parallel to this. So the angles here are, what type of angles are these? Hmm? So whenever Z is there, all the opposite Z is there and two lines are given parallel. So the angles are interior alternate. So interior alternate की पहचान क्या है? They form that these are interior alternate angles. U जहाँ बनता है, they are interior angles. And the letter which shows corresponding corresponding angles are is F. ठीक है? So these are the type of angles. Those are corresponding. ठीक है? So this is all for today. Thank you.